Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are prepping, packing, and cleaning my entire apartment right before vacation. We were actually road tripping down to the beach the day after I filmed this, so I had a ton to do. If you're interested and need some serious packing, cleaning, and prepping motivation, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.
On it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear, keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on? What if we stay right here, make everything disappear, lay low in the beachy sun, put your rose-colored glasses on.
Let's get started. So I'm going to start out by packing everything first, and then we're going to move on to cleaning. We're starting with my toiletry bag. I know there's a ton here, but I need options. I need tons of options. And I can admit that I am an overpacker, and that's okay. We are who we are, right? So I'm just packing everything I need, from sunscreen, this is the sunscreen I use for my face, to body wash and Q-tips and deodorant and all those things. And then we're going to pack up my makeup as well.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life.
I am packing all of my perfumes in this separate little pouch. I told myself that I was going to wear perfume every single day because it's just like a nice little thing to do for yourself. You feel super put together. And I'm also bringing my makeup because I told myself that I was going to at least put on makeup one time while we were out there. So I needed everything, of course.
Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. It's a good life, sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies.
I took a second to lay out what I was going to wear on the way down there, something that was easy and very comfortable.
Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear, lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah.
Once I finished packing all of my miscellaneous items, I actually had packed my clothes the day before. We're moving on to the boys' clothes. So as you can see, I started out packing it like this, but then I decided I should pack it the same way that I organize their clothes in their dresser drawers, like file folders or Marie Kondo style. It really freed up a lot of space. So I was able to fit both of their toiletry bag and Xavier suitcase, as well as a couple pairs of shoes, underwear, and socks. Both boys needed 2 outfits per day, one for the daytime and then one for like dinner and then evening activities.
A tongue so sweet it can knock me out. What can I do? It tastes so good, every word you say is melting in my mouth. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my Candyland.
My last video was a giveaway, so I am putting the giveaway winner here and down in the description box below. Congratulations, the winner has already been contacted and you should be getting your prize soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you are notified every single time I post a video and for future giveaways. So now we're going to move on to packing all the random things that you need for a road trip, or at least for me as an overpacker. I am packing Lysol spray, of course, Clorox wipes, of course, and all of these other random things you'll see, paper towels, and then we're going to move on to packing all of the snacks.
You are my candle.
Once I was done packing all of the dry snacks that didn't need to be refrigerated, I made sure to set up my little insulated Trader Joe's grocery bag. I did not take a cooler with me this trip, but I did take the insulated grocery bag. I don't own a wagon yet. It's definitely on my list, but I had to make sure that anything that I brought with me, I would be able to manage carrying down to the beach myself. And here you see I'm just packing my little tote bag that's going to be in the front seat with me. So all of the items that I would need at an arm's reach, we put in this bag. Now we're going to move on to cleaning this entire apartment now that everything is packed up. The worst feeling in the world is coming back from vacation, like period. But it's even worse when you come back and your house is a complete mess. It totally intensifies that feeling of, back to the same old, vacation is over. So we want to make sure that we hit all of the major areas of the apartment just so that we don't feel so overwhelmed.
The soft landing. Just got home, I've been hovering around the cool kid compounds. Started to look real promising, yeah. 225, lucky stars on a Jeep, that's a price for this guy asking me what I like. Wanna slide on a beat every night, but I felt up in it right on my face, yeah. Can't hear the star killer bass, yeah. It don't matter, I'm still amazing. I'm fixing, you don't like me more, so at the end of my speed, yeah. I know it can be frightening to let it go. Felt off, landed right on my face, yeah. Can't you hear the star killer bass, yeah. It don't matter, I'm still amazing. I'm free, see. You don't like me more, so at the end of my speed, yeah. I know it can be frightening to let it go.
You see, I'm kind of jumping around, but now I am taking anything that is packed and ready to go into the car, and I am putting everything together on the same wall so that we don't forget anything, and then we'll move on to vacuuming my bedroom.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me me sleep deprived.
Now that we've given the living room all the satisfying vacuum lines, we are going to speed clean the boys' bedroom. This was taken right before they were going to bed, so we were not going to be making beds in this one. We're just going to get all the toys put away, any of the clothes that weren't packed put away, vacuum, and just get it tidy so that when we come back, it's not super chaotic.
I can't help myself falling into the
Now moving on to the kitchen, I wanted to make sure that all of the dishes were sorted and that nothing was left in the dishwasher. So I did empty this load, put another load in, and then emptied that load. And I also made sure to keep the dishwasher a little bit cracked before we left because I had just used the dishwasher right before leaving, and I wanted to make sure that it had the chance to completely dry out so it wouldn't have that funky smell when you came back. So that's what we're doing now, and then we're just going to get the counters clean. These are all the other snacks and things that we're bringing, so I'm just going to move those over to the kitchen table so that everything can be sort of together like I mentioned before and we don't forget anything. Of course, we want to make sure that we pull anything out of the refrigerator that is going to go bad, that's going to rot or spoil while we are gone. So I did that and I got all of the dishes clean. You guys have seen me wash dishes a million times, so I'm just wiping down the sink after having that all done.
wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good and strange.
Now we're just going to give both of the bathrooms a quick clean, starting out with the boys' bathroom because they need to go to bed soon. I don't want to be making a bunch of noise near their bedroom. So we're just going to give the bathroom a quick clean, wiping down the surfaces, obviously cleaning the mirrors, getting the toilet clean, just so that when we come back home, I don't feel like I have to clean the bathroom immediately because I'm just disgusted.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, oh my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, oh my, my, my. Like, oh my God. Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my.
Now moving on to my bathroom, we're just going to do a similar thing with giving it a quick clean. I have a ton of stuff out on my counter because that is my skincare that I still need to pack. So I haven't fully packed my toiletry bag, but you guys know how that goes. You need to keep it out so that you can add all of the stuff that you use on a daily basis. If you have doubles, that will make things so much easier because you could just keep your duplicate of whatever products you use on a daily basis in your toiletry bag for vacation purposes.
You got me like, my, my, my. good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing could save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me.
And we are all done. This is a very interesting after shot for one of my cleaning videos because normally everything is all put away, but in this case I have my duffel bag open because my toiletry bag needs to go in there. I have clothes out ready to go for tomorrow. I have all of my skincare out ready to be packed, but the living room is clean. You see all of the suitcases are put here ready to be loaded into the car. All of our snacks and everything is ready to go. It's just so nice to have everything nice and tidy so that when we come back home, we aren't just overwhelmed with being back from vacation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys making it all the way to the end. I hope you found some motivation, some inspiration. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the post notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.